If one thermostat wire becomes damaged or shorted, stop using that circuit and isolate the affected wire before attempting repairs. First, shut power to the heating and cooling system at the breaker and at the system switch, so you do not energize the control board while you work. Remove the thermostat cover and note every wire color and terminal label, then take a clear photo or write a quick diagram to preserve the original connections. At the air handler or furnace control board, remove the cover and trace the same cable bundle so you can match conductors by color and position. If there is an unused spare conductor in the same cable, you can repurpose it by moving it to the same terminal at both the thermostat and the control board, so polarity and function remain consistent. If there is no spare conductor, you can swap existing colors at both ends to use a different wire for that function, but you must update labels at both ends and any documentation to avoid confusion later. Secure any damaged conductor by cutting back to clean copper, reterminating with a proper thermostat wire terminal insert or a rated splice, then cap and insulate the damaged stub to prevent shorts. Common mistakes include reusing a spare conductor without updating labels or notes, which causes confusion during later service. The fix is to label both ends clearly with a durable tag or write the function on tape at each end. Another frequent error is energizing the control board before confirming connections, which can blow relays or the transformer. Always remove mains power first and verify continuity and isolation with a multimeter. A third issue is making a poor mechanical splice that later corrodes or shorts. Use proper rated connectors or terminal blocks and protect exposed copper with heat shrink or electrical tape to maintain a reliable connection. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work by connecting them with real project opportunities. We also host an active discussion community where homeowners and contractors share advice, ask questions, and discuss troubleshooting and repair experiences.